Hey friends, it's Steve Volkers. I haven't done one of these in probably a week or two, even though I've put out a bunch of videos, but car thoughts. And just what's hit me over the last couple of days is the cycle of life, right? So you could think Lion King or whatever that might be, but the idea for me is that it seems as though in my life, and I'm guessing in yours, there's patterns that you start seeing, that life seems to run in a flow of a pattern, and based on our life choices then can interrupt that pattern. So I sort of used the analogy this morning in my men's Bible study group of sort of a circle, right, where I feel as though we sort of start at a place and start going around the circle in our life, and that could be in a week, that could be in a month, quarter, or a year. But it seems as though we're asked to jump to a whole nother level. And as we accept that level, we have to learn and understand it. We have to start applying whatever that is that we're being asked to do. And then we get into a pattern where we understand it, we're running it, and it's going well. And then all of a sudden something challenges us to determine if we're willing to go to another level again, right? So that the cycle sort of repeats itself, and we could either accept that challenge of life to go around the circle again. And going around the circle again is hard. It's like a hard decision to make. Like if you choose to accept the next challenge in your life, a next leadership role, or next opportunity, or a new child is born in your life, it doesn't really matter, but you've accepted this thing as the new you, that it's going to be a hard period again, and then you'll get comfortable again, and then you're probably going to be asked again to challenge yourself. The issue is when you're being asked to challenge yourself, if you don't accept that challenge, what you find in a pattern of life is that you're going to go backwards around the other side of the circle. And all of a sudden, everything that you had been working for or trying to accomplish or have been asked to do, all of a sudden starts unraveling as you choose not to accept the new you, or the new pattern of you. So just really trying to apply that in my life, and I thought maybe it'd be a benefit to you guys as I look back in the last year of being with Berkshire Hathaway, but also just in general of my life over the last year of having foster kids now for 1 year. I think today or tomorrow will be our 1 year anniversary with the two little ones that live with me. That we have been challenged over this year, and we found comfort now, and now we're going to be challenged again to go around that circle, and that's uncomfortable, but I am not willing to unravel my life that I've been given. And I challenge you guys, if you're at that place, and I look at it as sort of 4 quadrants of the circle, you know where you're at. You're either comfortable, you're being challenged on the top, you've accepted that challenge and you're learning and growing by it, you're comfortable, or you're being asked to step into a new circle and a new challenge. Don't go backwards today, this week, and this weekend. Choose to accept the challenge to go back around the circle. It'll make a better you, and I think that you'll be blessed by it. So that's car thoughts. That's just what's running around in my head. I don't know if it's a benefit, but I hope that your lives are going around the circle, and that each day, each week, and each month, you're being blessed by accepting what's being called of you. Thanks, guys. See ya.